Payment of salary, 13 month. In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate a payslip for the payment of the 13 month. There are two possibilities according to the legislation of the country. In the first case, the 13 month is included in the December payslip. Another possibility is that we need to have two separate documents, a payslip for December and an extra payslip for the payment of the 13 month. This specificity is part of the payroll in use. In both cases, you need to know how many months did each employee work during the year. For this purpose, the administrator will issue in statistics a document called Number of Payslips per Staff. So let's see how the administrator issues this document. Let's go in Tools, Statistics, OCB, Missions. Here we select Management and then Payroll. Here we're going to select Number Payslip per Staff and we click Run. We have to enter the year. So here is the list and we can export it as an Excel file. Keep in mind that the list is issued before December payslip is generated. It means that when we will enter the number of months worked during the year, we will have to add 1 to the value here mentioned. So the administrator will provide this list to the administrator assistant if this one is in charge of the 13-month payment. Let's see how to issue the December salary payslips which include the 13-month payment. As usual, we're going to generate the payslips. Then we are going to enter the payment information. In variable list, we have to click number of month for 13-month payment. And we click Next. As usual, we will enter the information about absence and overtime. And to issue the 13-month payment, we are going to enter the number of months each employee has been working during the year. We have this information in the document called Number of Payslip per Staff issued by the administrator. When the information has been registered, we click Apply and we close. And we close again. Now, if we go in Payroll, Print Payslips, we have issued December payslip which includes the 13-month payment. When we have to issue two separate documents, we need to issue first the payslip for the 13 month. So first we go in Payroll, Generate Payslips. So we choose the months we want to generate. We are in December 2011 and we click OK. And yes. The payslips have been generated. So now we go in Payroll, Entry of Payment Information. We click OK. And we click Variable List. We have to check now to print 13 month and number of month for 13-month payment. And we click Next. Let's maximize our window. So let's enlarge a little bit the columns. Here in the column to print 13 months, we have to enter 1 for each employee. And then in the column number of months for 13-month payment, we take our document number of payslips per staff, and we will enter the value. We have to make sure that we enter the right value to the right employee. When it's done, we just have to click Apply and then Close. And again we click Close. For the next step, we have to go in Tools, Options, and here in Current Headings, in Payslip, we're going to type 13 month. And Apply. So now if we go in Payroll, Print Payslip, we select December, and in Printing Types we select Payslip with translated headings. And we click OK. So we just issued the 30-month payslip for all the employees. We can print it and save it as a normal payslip. So now, after printing the 13-month payslip, we are going to print the December payslip. We go again in Payroll, Entry of Payment Information. We select December, Variables list. We keep the 5 boxes checked. We just go Next. So now, in the column to print 13 months, we're going to type 0 for all employees. And then, like every month, we're going to enter the information regarding number of days of absence, other overtime, and ordinary overtime. When it's done, we click Apply and Close. And then we can close. Now if we go in Payroll, Print Payslips, make sure always that you have the right month. We click OK. And now we have issued the December payslip in another document. In this tutorial, you learned how to generate a payslip for the payment of the 13th month. Now, you might be also interested by the following tutorial videos: Payment of salary, Closing the month.